I love K-dramas. I watch a lot of K-dramas, and they're always eating Tteokbokki, 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 Tteokbokki. They're always eating it. I've never had it. I saw this at Walmart this morning. Guess what? I bought it, and my microwave died yesterday. Oh, my microwave died yesterday. It doesn't work anymore. The lights over the stove and the timer work. What do we got? Tteokbokki, 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 Tteokbokki. We're making this in a double boiler. What do we got? Yep. Buldak Original Spicy Tteokbokki. Don't ask me how to pronounce it, seriously. What do we got? Well, we got a sauce packet. And we got our rice sticks. And and we got a little spoon. We got a spork. That opened easy. Oh, we got a spork. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's fun. Oh, that's fun. We're not going to use this. Where is the fill line? You know, they say to fill it to the fill line. You can barely see it. And there's not much water in there. I watched a couple of videos where the water barely covers this, and that's what we're going to do in the double boiler. We're heating up the double boiler, and we're heating up the water. Rice cake. Okay. Do not eat. Tteokbokki. Hey, I'm not making fun. I love K-dramas. I watch so much K-drama, TV, movies. We've never had tteokbokki. 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 That is cute. There must be a patent for this. Oh, it locks. Is that the cutest thing? There you go. All right. Lid off. Hey! Rice noodles in. Water. And sauce. Oh. Let's get all of it. On. Okay, so in the microwave, we're supposed to cook it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds in the microwave. We're just going to cook it until tender or thickened. We're going to go 3 minutes and then we'll stir. So it's been 3 minutes. I'm going to cook it for a while without the lid. I put too much water in. You may not make this video. Ow! That was hot. I hear ya. It's about 9 minutes. We're gonna add a little cornstarch to this, because we can. That's a lot. Let's just add a little bit. Put it in. There you go. It's thickening up. So for about 6 minutes it was covered. I think we're almost done here. How are they getting soft? They're getting soft. So we're talking like 9 to 12 minutes for this. Starting to look like the picture. Right? Oh! If you pour from the double boiler, you've got to make sure the bottom is dry. Otherwise, you're going to get water in your tucka. So, let's lift it up. Wipe it down. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, and... Oh, man. Okay. Ooh, it smells good. That was at least 12 minutes. I'm just saying. Non-microwave. Oh, it's thick. Look how thick. Look how thick. Oh, that's saucy. My first tteokbokki. My first tteokbokki. Let's see if they're tender. I'm gonna try and bite one. Oh, spongy. Ooh, spicy. Whoa! Oh! Water! No! 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 Milk! No! No! Oh! Oh, they weren't kidding. Oh, they weren't kidding. When they said spicy, they weren't kidding. That was just one bite, man. Oh, are they supposed to be this spicy? Oh, I'm gonna take a whole one. Here we go. That is better. Not as bad. Oh. They're a little chewy. Maybe they could be softer, but they are soft. Spongy. Oh my God. I wasn't expecting the spice. Easier after the first one. My tongue is on fire, man. Oh, there's a sweetness. And I'm getting a sweetness. It's reminding me of something, I'm not sure. Dumplings. Oh, it's going up into my nose. Oh, the sweetness is now coming through. It's very... Oh. I love the thickness. Boy, the sauce is wonderful. I'm glad I added, it was just a little bit of cornstarch, but I'm burning up, so check it out. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. No King's Day. Oh. Oh. No. 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 Oh. But you want to go back for more.
You want to go back for more, man? Oh. Holy cow. I didn't expect the heat. It did say spicy. That's it. Oh! 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 Who's got a fire hose? No! Oh! We're going back in? Holy moly! No! No! Oh! You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching.